Another day, another breakfast. Today I'm going to use some leftovers. Like this. This is good. I really like to eat for this. So what I'm going to do is just do it like that. Oh, perfect. Okay. Sorry, I'm super hungry. Repeat the frying pan. 3 minutes. This goes to the recycle bags. Well, this is a hazard right on the floor. This one goes here. And probably 3 of them. Oh, actually I need salt and pepper for my eggs. Today I'm wearing a PP shirt. It's not very, it's super comfortable, but it's not great for cooking purposes. Like, the sleeves are too wide. What am I going to bring up? Well, the name is spinach and artichoke, so that's why the color looks like this. It's a combination of two. And I think 1 tablespoon for 1 slice. Here I need to focus on this particular task. I'll run this. I'll start here, and now it's good. And to here, what I'm going to do is just use it like that, and this one here. This one goes here. Okay. So this is the result. Very simple. I wish I had some more veggies, but this is it. So thank you for watching and happy cooking.